guys. Yeah, it's about 8 o'clock the next morning. Nice and cool out now. So I'm going to try and get the rest of this smog removed. And I got to get some parts out, plugs and stuff to get them sealed off. But this is where we're at. You know, I got this pipe removed and it just broke right off at the valve. No big deal. Got the other one out. That's good to go. And I just removed, unfortunately had to twist some of the pipes to get it off. But yeah, that's where it belongs. But we're going to get the rest of this, these pipes and stuff out, and I'm going to find some bolts. That, or I'll just get the Allen type plugs and put in there. Might as well just block them off anyway. But I still got to get that valve off. But I'm going to pull the carburetor so I can get a wrench on it. They've been sitting with plaster on it for a couple of days now. Hopefully I can get that off. I did remove the hose. It goes from the tank. It's just hanging there, going over to the valve cover. While looking around, I done noticed that that stud does not have a nut on it. You can see possibly where it's been leaking, where it changes of color. That's real nice. And then up back here, there's not one whatsoever. So what the hell, guys? You put the car back together, do it right. And then I was noticing down here, the intake, or the manifold gasket, exhaust manifold wheel for the exhaust pipe, is blown out. So I bet you any money I go to take that apart. I'm going to snap the studs. So there's a project. I want to replace the put a header on it anyway, but I don't want to have to do it right now because those headers aren't cheap. You might be able to find a good used one for a couple $100, but and then I want to change from a single carb to dual SUs. I thought about the Weber downdraft just because of the simplicity, but yeah, I don't know. We'll see what happens in the future. But so as of right now, I need to get that valve off, and then get plugs for all the goodies, because at noon or a little afternoon there's a local car show and I want to go check it out. I might just take you along. Alrighty, well, I got the airbox off, got the cables disconnected, got 2 nuts loose. There's only 2 nuts holding that carburetor on. I thought there'd be 4, but we need to pull this off. The one nut is right there, and the other one is on the opposite corner, down in there somewhere. I did get it earlier. But this thing is going to need a good cleaning. So, since I got it off and I got to get that valve off, I might as well just order up the kit and go through it. Clean her completely up and make sure she's fresh and ready to go. Well, there she is in her glory. What a grimy freaking mess. But, yep, now I can get to that valve, EGR valve. That pipe that you see sticking there, that's for the vacuum advance. So I might change that up. It comes out the bottom of the carburetor, and there is one here on the very top. I might just plug that bottom one instead, and then use different line. Get some more vacuum line off the top and then out and around the back, so it's not that clustered right here. Because it goes over here to a little canister. No idea why. That steel line to plastic line. Just more issues. So let's, I'm going to set this carburetor down and see what else I can get into. Well, this is where I am at. Move that up out of the way so I can work. I don't have, I was looking for a pipe wrench, and I think my boy borrowed it. I had a couple, they're gone. So, what I am going to do is I'm just going to cut this pipe. So it goes into there, cut it right here. And then I can get a socket on it, which I would have a socket that size. As you can see, I tried to use a pair of not channel locks, but crescent wrench, and nope, it just rounded. So that, I knew why even attempt it, but so that's what I need to do. Oh, there she is. So then to get a socket wrench, all that stuff, and see if I can get that out of there. Yeah, we done got her broken loose, or that's just a nut rolling on top of that. Ah, shit, that sucks. Well, that's just a lock nut. Some bitch. Well, that sucks. So, what I'm thinking I might have to find, it'll look ugly as hell because I can't get that out, is grind this down. To where it's flush and not jagged. Pull that nut off so that will chase the threads, and find a cap. The cap over it. Yeah. Never fails, you know? Always run into something. It ain't the fun, you know, it ain't no fun if you don't. Makes your mind work. Well, I'm just gonna see what I can do with that, see if I can get that nut off, and if not, probably just call it a day. And I was gonna do body work on it because I already did the one side, and I was gonna do the other side. But it's so low to the ground. The last time I did it, it took me 2 days to recover with my back. Getting up and down, up and down, up and down, you know, rolling around, fighting with it. So I'm going to try and get the car higher in the air so I can sit on the ground cross-legged or whatever and work on it. But yeah, let's go do something. Yeah, I think that's what we'll do. You guys want to go to a car show? Yeah, it's going to be a couple hours for me, but it's going to be late. And we're here. Let's go check out some rides. Well, guys, I'll probably be just taking a lot of photos, and I'll be doing some video, but they're playing some music, so we can't have copyright issues. So I'll just throw in something that they allow, and we'll check out the cars. Well, there you go, guys. Yeah, that's the car show at Wilhelm Lake. And there's a bunch of cars I still could have videoed, but it's getting hot. I'm getting hungry. I grabbed something to eat, but I'm going to head home. If you guys like that kind of stuff, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and not the finger. Leave a comment. Always like to reply to my comments. Click that subscription button and mash the bell notification. That lets you all know whenever I post new content. But as always, I'll see you out there. Bye.